Unlock new possibilities with your IC7 drive. You can now easily add features after purchase, directly through the Danfoss product store. Simply buy the feature and install it using MyDrive Insight. It's that easy. Let's get started. Head to the Danfoss product store at store.danfoss.com and enter the order number for your desired feature. Let's say you want Modbus functionality. Enter the order number 136S1004. Or, for Profinet, enter order number 136S1002. Instantly see the price and add it to your cart for easy purchase. Open the cart to see your order and prices. Provide your purchase details, if required. Next, if everything looks okay, select Proceed to Order Summary. Your last step, complete the order. You'll now see the checkout screen with your order reference number. Within 24 hours of ordering, the sales order contact will receive an email containing the license token. Redeem this token in Suite, as with other tokens, to generate a file for your drive, which you then upload via MyDrive Insight. Alternatively, for a faster process, you can redeem and upload directly through MyDrive Insight, as we'll demonstrate now. Launch MyDrive Insight and allow it to load the drive you want to update. Once the drive is loaded, copy the token number from your email. Select the drive you're updating. Click the three dots, then Activate License. Notice that the Activate Licenses screen already has your drive's reference number entered for you. Alternatively, access the Activate Licenses menu directly. This method is typically used to generate the license file beforehand, particularly when internet access isn't available at the drive. In this screen, you'll need to manually input the drive reference number and the token number. Press the check button located in the top right corner. This will generate the necessary update file for your drive. This can take some time. Once generated, you'll need to save the file. The update file will be named licensefile-reference number.vark. We will now demonstrate how to upload the new software feature file to the drive. With the file in hand, you're ready to update. But what if you mistakenly choose the wrong drive? Let's explore that. We've selected the wrong file for this specific drive. As you can see here, the system will display an incompatibility message. Now, let's proceed to see the process with the correct drive selected. When you select the correct file for the appropriate drive, you'll see a compatible message displayed. Click the Update button in the bottom right corner to start the drive update process. The update process only takes a few seconds. Once the update process is completed, press the Done button located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will complete the update. As stated in the top message, you now need to power cycle the drive. To validate the update, take note of the license names displayed here as shown on the screen before the power cycle. Once the power cycle is complete, please disconnect, if you not already did that, and reconnect to the drive. This action will refresh the license information and display the newly installed licenses. At last, we will verify and activate the new software feature. To enable and configure the new licenses, first select the drive. Then press the three dots menu button in the upper right corner and select Configure Devices from the menu. Here you will be asked to upload the software package file, which contains the drive software found in the Danfoss product store. Simply select Low Voltage Drives, IC7 Automation, Frequency Converter. Find your drive and scroll down till you find the section Software and Firmware to support existing functionality. Download the drive software and unpack it. Here you have the file needed for the device configuration. Click Next on the software packet you want to configure. Set up the feature configurations you need, and press Next. Depending on the drive configuration, you may need to log in first to be able to upgrade the drive. Press Update to confirm that you want to do this update. The drive feature configuration file will now be uploaded to the drive. Once the license is loaded to the drive, it will remain there forever. This ensures you can always switch between the drive's different features. Upload of the configuration file will only take a short time. After a successful upload, you will need to reboot the drive by pressing the OK button in the top right corner, as displayed here, or power cycle the drive manually. When the drive gets back up running, it's operating with the new configuration. This concludes the instructions for ordering token, redeeming license, and enabling a feature in the drive. Should you encounter any issues, rest assured that support is available to assist you. Thank you for your attention and successful licensing.